Hello, I'm Tim Sandle and I'm here for Pharmig at the Portmarnock Golf and Country Club. Let's go take a look inside.
And where have you based that on? It's all about your recovery studies or your growth promotion studies that you are that you should have.
And you do see seasonal variations. I suppose one of the big times we see seasonal variations when when it starts to come into autumn and when we start to see possibly an increase in mold counts.
In essence, the trend analysis is indispensable for understanding the dynamics of microbial population, identifying anomalies or deviations.
So how probable is that your hazard is going to occur on a specific situation, and that's risk.